Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you're here. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to DIY honey pot sweetener. In this video, I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks to make your honey pot sweet, to make it juicy. If you have a stingy husband, or you have all this olojukokoro husband that is always eyeing other babes outside, no care whether you date there or you know date there. So in this video, we are going to be settling this cause. All right, so I'm going to be showing you some things you can DIY in your home to make your husband, your partner, your boyfriend stay with you, fall in love with you, spend money on you, and stay away from side chick. All right, so if this sounds as what you are interested in, definitely keep on watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to like this video because it is important for YouTube to recommend my video. It is important to like this video and also share this video if you like me and like my content. I mean, you guys show some love. Okay, so without further say or do, let's get right into it. So guys, the first ingredient I'm going to be working with is royal powder. It is also called a sweetener powder if you can lay your hands on it, and we do sell it at GMK Organics. The second ingredient is milk. All right, you can lay your hands on any milk, all right, to mix it up. You mix and mix and mix till everything has incorporate very well. All right, we sell all these at JMK Organics. You can check the description box. It is also written on the screen. Okay, so the third ingredient I will be using is called sweetener syrup. All right, we sell all these things at JMK Organics. You can check the description box and it is also written on the screen. Like I've said, check us out. So guys, for the usage of this DIY, you have to be drinking this 1 hour or 30 minutes to the do. Okay, 1 hour or 30 minutes to the do, if you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so after preparing this, you should make sure you drink it 1 hour or 30 minutes, or if it is at night before you sleep, if you know that the do is going to happen. Okay, so yeah, it's better you drink it, and yeah, and everything will sengemenge, everything will go according to plan. And trust me, you are going to thank me later. You are going to give your testimony in my comment section. All right, so we've come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up. It is highly important. Okay, at this point I want to tell you that we sell Kayamata products, enhancement products, high blood sugar products, libido booster tea. So we sell all these things. For more information about what we sell, okay, just contact the number you are seeing on the screen. I have two numbers on the screen, one for Nigeria and one for the United States. So if you're in the United States, you want to purchase a product, kindly send a WhatsApp message to the number. And if you're in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, just send me a WhatsApp message, and voila, I'm going to respond to you. And also remember to follow my Instagram page, my business Instagram page. You guys go there and show me some love. All right, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.